TYRICK XIMINES, standout performer for Jamaica College. First of all, how does it feel to be Manning Cup champion 2022?
Well, right now I'm overwhelmed, grateful and blessed to be the champion of the 2022-2023 Manning Cup season. It's a wonderful feeling.
Alright, you didn't start the season with your team, but you came in the back end and you put in an absolutely good performance, having an important goal in the semi-finals. How does it feel to be here, putting in a performance for your team to take it all home?
Well, I would say it feels great because coming up through the ranks from First Farm, Pepsi, Coles, Manning Cup, I always want to be a standout player that wins the trophy or even contribute to help the team win. You know, so for me, it's good.
Alright, talk to me about that game. Really crazy game. How are you feeling while you're in that penalty circle, knowing that you had to kick that shot? Talk to me.
Well, to be honest about the game, it was a tough one. The penalty shootout, I'm not really nervous when I'm taking penalties because I have the control. I am over the ball, you know, so it's instead of he save it or I score.
Alright, and Jamaica College, you guys had a lot of support today. I want you to send a message to them real quick. Let them know. A message from TYRICK XIMINES, Manning Cup champion. Talk to me.
All I have to say is thank you guys for everything you have done, for the school, for the team, and for me. You guys are great, and I just want to tell you thank you. This is my last season, so it's a big shout out to you guys.
Alright, last season. What next for TYRICK XIMINES? Tell us the next move.
I'm on my way to Europe, so you know I can't talk much about it, but I'm on my way to Europe.
Alright, congrats and good game.